Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and today we're talking about something very powerful: how changing your mindset can help you learn English faster.
And I'm Paul. Hi, everyone. And Charlie, I love this topic. Mindset is everything. But before we start, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, a little tired, but happy. You know, when I think positive, even a busy day feels easier.
That's true. I feel the same. A good mindset can change your whole day, and it can change your English too.
Paul, do you remember when you first started learning another language?
Oh, yes. I was scared. I thought, I'll never speak well.
I think every learner feels that at some point.
Exactly. And that fear slows you down. That's why mindset matters so much.
So, let's talk about three simple mindset shifts that help beginners learn faster.
Number one, believe you can learn. Even if your English is not perfect, you're still improving every day.
I love that. Number two, don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are not failures, they are signs that you are learning.
That's true. I still make mistakes in languages I've studied for years.
Same here. And number three, enjoy the process. Listen to English songs, watch short videos, read simple stories. Make English fun, not stress.
Yes, when learning feels fun, your brain accepts it faster. It becomes natural.
So the lesson is simple. Your mindset can speed up or slow down your English journey.
When you think positive, stay calm, and enjoy learning, you grow faster than you expect.
That's true. A strong mindset makes a strong English speaker.
And you can start today. Just believe in yourself.
And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.